The Watershed is a sports and leisure centre. We have a fantastic facility here. We have plenty of activities in every sport that we can accommodate, we do. From a heat point of view, all the water in our swimming pool, our domestic hot water, which we our showers and bathroom areas, is all heated by gas. We engaged with the Better Energy community from a grant point of view to be able to get grant funding towards the overall project. And we decided to do an energy audit. So the energy audit would have highlighted PV solar as one of the main areas that we could certainly save money on. Our PV solar panels that were installed will now cover 25% of our overall usage on an annual basis. The second project that we completed was a biomass boiler. So we engaged with a company called Woodco. We have an agreement with them, it's called an ESCO agreement, and this is also funded through SEAI grant scheme, which means that there was no initial investment for us to put forward any capital investment into the project, and the agreement through ESCO is that we pay on usage. Another area which we looked at was the LED retrofitting. So again, a good saving on electricity with the LED retrofit in place. To be shortlisted for the SEAI Energy Awards is also, in my opinion, fantastic to be able to showcase what we have here at the Watershed, what the leisure industry can achieve, but also sustainability, because we're here for the community and we want to be able to showcase the Watershed in a way that what we can do and we will do to yield a more sustainable environment for us and to contribute to the environment in any way we can.